In this video, I will show you how to connect Spotify to your TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to listen to Spotify from your phone to your TV. Now to do this, you want to make sure that both your mobile phone and your TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you come over to my mobile phone over here, you will find out that my phone is actually connected to this particular Wi-Fi over here, that is iPhone 13 Sam. Now what you just want to do is to make sure that both your TV is also connected to that same Wi-Fi. And on my Android TV over here, if you come over to the settings over here, you will find out that both my Android TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi, which is actually iPhone 13 Sam over here. Now once that is done, you want to come over to your mobile phone and then you want to go ahead and launch the Spotify app on your mobile phone. Now when you're listening to any music on your Spotify app, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on this cast option over here at the bottom of the play section over here. So just go ahead and click on this cast button over here. And at this point, you're going to see all of the devices that you can actually connect your Spotify app to. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and select your TV. So in my case, it is actually the Mi TV stick over here. So I'll just go ahead and select the Mi TV stick just like so. And automatically, my Spotify app will be connected to my TV over here. And just like so, I can now listen to Spotify from my phone to my TV. That'll be all on how to connect Spotify to your TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.